Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Garden Guitar. Charlie on a Friday when it rains, alright? So it's not Friday today, but it actually rains very much here in sunny Sweden, so I thought it was neat to bring this one up anyway. Yes, we have 4 chords here in this song, and we had 2 different styles of strumming. That's it. So pretty easy anyway. We had the 4 famous chords with the capo set on the 3rd fret. So the C, G, E minor, and D. Let's take a look at the chords first. We're gonna start with C, and that goes 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. G next, that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, 3rd E, E minor, that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And for D, we're going with this C-shaped D, so to speak. That is exactly as the C, but the grip will be here at this position. So that gives us 5th on A, 4th on D, open G, 3rd B, and open E. And the chord progression goes in the same order we learned the chords. So C, G, E minor, and then D. And that's very neat because the last chord is D, and then you start with C. So you just go over with the same grip to this position. So very smooth transition there from D to C. All right, anyway, let's take a look at the 2 different strumming patterns needed. The first one is how it starts, and this one is used both for intro, the bridge part later, and the outro parts. We'll come to that, but first let's learn it. So if you grab the C chord, that's the first one. This is about 8 downs in total, 1 string around. Okay, but you want to emphasize the first one, the 4th, and the 7th down out of this 8. And you're going to do that in a way that you play them on the highest strings, the 1st, the 4th, and the 7th down. All the other downs you're going to play on the bass strings. You try to separate where you strum when you use the strumming pattern on the strings. So you're going to play like this, slowly. Okay, so top, bass, bass, top, bass, bass, top, bass. That is 1 round. A couple rounds. Okay, but it goes a little bit faster, so it goes like this. Somewhere around that tempo. All right, so you're gonna play 1 string around per chord, and you're gonna do it in the same order through entire song. No matter if you go with this string pattern or the second one we're gonna learn soon, we have the C, G, E minor, and D. So 1 string around per chord, and it goes like this. So you don't do full downs now. Again, you want to have this separated style of playing on the strings to really get this vibe going on here with the strumming. So short downstrokes on the higher and also on the bass strings. So you're gonna play the intro for 4 rounds of this strumming style. Then after that, you're gonna go into kind of the main style here when it comes to strumming. So we're gonna learn that now. So if you grab a C again, so one strumming round there will be down, up, clap, up, down, up, like this. Okay, so you're gonna start with down, up, okay? Then comes clap, up, down, up. That's it. So down, up, clap, up, down, up. Down, up, clap, up, down, up. Down, up, clap, up, down, up. Okay, it goes a little bit faster than that. You're gonna play one strumming around per chord again. C, G, E minor, and D, and that gives us that is the main style in this song. But like I mentioned, you're gonna play 4 rounds in the intro of this style. Then you go to the main part, and then at 1 minute and 45 seconds, you're gonna go back again to play the intro style, and you're gonna play it for another 4 rounds. Okay, so 4 rounds of this style. That's a bridge part, and then you go back to the main part again, and then you play that first intro and bridge style strumming in the outro as well. You're gonna play for the last 2 rounds. All the other rounds in between the intro, the bridge, and the outro, we will play with this second strumming style. So there you have it, guys. Charlie on a Friday, When It Rains, and yeah. Hope you enjoyed it. Till next time, play tuned.